Good evening to everyone. uh, Without wasting time, I think my topic is the promotion of growing food trees for efficient land use, food security, nutritional and value addition. Here, our major partner is the Gram Chetna Kendra Milk, Khedi Milk, that NGO, that is non-profitable organizations that is empowering the rural people in terms of the health. In terms of other things environmental issues they are working, and now our geographical area that is we have selected, that is the Jobner and Sambar area that we have selected. There are a lot of the problems we are facing. So there is a low adaptation of the food growing rates due to the growing of cereal crops and pulses extra, and there is a less availability of the quality planting material, and there is a need to make the awareness about the nutritional values and post harvest management of various fruits. Here we have selected arid fruits for our project, especially that is bear, karunda, lasoda, pomegranate, amla, beel, drumstick, falsa, fig, guava, care, even jamun also we have selected. Um, in the uh, first phase of CFI, I have worked already in this project. So few programs we have organized. Among them, the plantation programs, capacity building programs, and awareness training programs. Also, we have organized for the productions of the fruit and value additions, nursery raising, and literature. Also, we have published. Here, I have shown the few photographs. Uh, Project objectives are the organizations of plantations programs. We have to we will go for the promotional campaigns, development of eco-friendly methods for food planting, irrigations, fertilizing, protections, and maintenance through the research scholars, and we will conduct the value additions, demonstration, capacity building trainings, and we will strengthen our nursery program. So here in the methodology, we will for we will go for the promotional campaigns or promotional programs uh, will be organized for popularizing the food growing and consumptions for underprivileged people and for school children especially. And here eco-friendly methods will also be developed, because in the last first phase we have given to our one of the students one of the research work that is about the value additions of the karunda. So she disseminate the technology about to the people, uh, how they can prepare the different value added products. So that will very helpful for the people we have. And here there is the water scarcity. So on the irrigations, especially on the irrigation, drip irrigations, and for about the fertilizations, will give the some research work to them. Here the post harvest management demonstrations will also be planned, so the people they can develop their own products. And here the some capacity buildings programs will be also organized, and the fruit planting materials will be collected and sent to the nursery at our center. We are already having the nursery, a well established nursery, and so we can make the available frequently to the plants to the farmers and the communities. Here public awareness extension literatures will also be developed, so we can distribute them during the different programs. Here some social and nutritional impacts, that is I don't think it's environmental climate changes. Here for scaling the, we have faced that we have given the fruit trees to the different people, but it is could not monitored properly. So this time we are planning that we will make some orchard management committees or like farmer cooperatives. So they will monitor how many peoples they have planted, and how many people they are benefited actually. That will be seen in here, and the integrations into the local government plans will also integrate with the panchayat, and in their different programs like Mahanarega and other whatever that will be running that time. And the benefit setting frameworks also will try to make here, because when we are planting the fruit trees at the school level or even panchayat levels, then who will harvest them and what will happen? Otherwise people will, there will be conflicts so many. So will there, we'll also try to make some framework. Here is the budget summary, and that is very less. I think it's 21.6 lakhs. That is for the
1.6 lakhs.
3 years. Yes. This. Thank you very much.
You would be also helping them in planting because you would be distributing the trees.
Yes, we are also helping them in planting. We are training them how to plant.
And the places would be identified by you, or they would be identifying on their own?
No, we will identify where they have to plant. Otherwise,
that
they
will
will.
be community land basically.
Yes, yes.
You mentioned you also have part-time Ram Chaitanya.
Yes.
What is their role in the project?
They are providing the support in terms of we can say the organizing the different programs, like वो है जो mobilizations of the people.
Maybe you could just say something about how you're deciding on what material is going to be used in the planting campaigns. You didn't speak about what species or what.
We are having already AICRP project, arid zone, arid fruit zone project at our center Jobner. So already we have developed the different type of the technologies, and so we are easily able to distribute.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now we move on to